you guys. So today I'm coming back with a new video. I get asked a lot, where do I find cute, affordable, plus size clothes a lot? So I figured it would be in all of our best interest if I made a video about it. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks on how to be stylish and plus size on a budget. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So first, let me just start off with where I actually shop. I shop at Forever 21, Russe, H&M, sometimes Marshalls, TJ Maxx, but those stores are really where I primarily shop at. I also shop online a lot. I shop at Pretty Little Things. I shop at Fashion Nova. I shop at Boohoo. They're all pretty affordable. The stores I shop at aren't all that extravagant. They're pretty basic, but even though they're the basic everyday stores that everyone shops at, it's just based on how you style the clothes. The next thing I do in terms of saving money, but also being cute as a plus size girl, is I thrift a lot. Thrifting is a really good thing to do. You don't have to just take a Goodwill piece as is. You can also DIY it. You can also style it in non-conventional ways. With thrifted clothes, you can be very creative with it. You don't have to just keep it as a basic t-shirt or a basic sweater. You can make it into a crop sweater. You can make the t-shirt into a studded army sleeve shirt or something. I don't know. There's so many tutorials on YouTube on how to DIY thrifted clothes. Along with thrifting, I also suggest not just staying in the women's section, but also venture out into the men's section, because the men have the best graphic t-shirts. That's where you find most of the band tees, like those vintage band tees. They have the best sweaters. They're so cozy and pretty, they're easy to style because there's not a whole lot going on with them. So definitely go to the men's section in the thrift store, because they're men's clothes, they're naturally going to be a little bit bigger than women's clothes. So I can fit into like a men's medium or large, whereas with women I have to be like in the extra large, double XL or whatever. Thrift, DIY your thrift finds if you want to, but also check the men's section, because that's where all the good shit is at. I'm telling y'all, that is where they hide the treasure, okay? My third tip is, do not underestimate how impactful accessories and shoes can be. Accessories can take an outfit from a 0 to 100. Accessories are meant to enhance an outfit, to make an outfit pop even more. Accessories can also just be the statement of the whole entire outfit. You could take a basic all black outfit and make it something worthwhile by wearing some statement earrings or wearing like statement shoes. I get a lot of my shoes from Public Desire and Ego, I believe that's what it's called. I definitely would invest in really, really cute accessories and shoes, because those items can really make a basic outfit pop. So my fourth tip is to use Shoptagger.com. Now I know you guys have probably seen sponsored content about Shoptagger.com by other YouTubers, but I am not being sponsored. I can definitely bring you a unbiased opinion about Shoptagger.com for all you skeptics out there. So if you're unfamiliar with Shoptagger.com, it's a website that notifies you when your favorite items go on sale or they're out of stock, they're back in stock. How it works is you go to Shoptagger.com, it's free, BT dubs, it is free. You download the Shoptagger extension for your browser. When you shop through partnered stores of Shoptagger, you are able to click on the Shoptagger icon for the item that you want to save to your Shoptagger, and Shoptagger will ask you like, what size did you want this item in? What do you want us to notify you about? Like, it'll ask you, do you want us to notify you when it goes on 25% off, 50% off, anytime the price changes? What do you want us to do? And then you click save, and then that's it. And then Shoptagger will notify you when those items that you saved have gone on sale. My fifth tip is experiment with colors and texture. Outfits don't have to just be cut and dry. The point of fashion is to defy the rules, to go outside the box and be creative. So definitely try to experiment with different colors. My last tip is, okay, so you guys know how on every YouTube video, there's that commercial where it's like, hi, I'm Olivia. And she goes on the spiel about how she saved like $35 something on a Urban Decay Naked palette. Okay, so I know that commercial is annoying, but the product, Honey, is lit. Honey is basically a way to get through all the discount codes that don't work and find the one that actually does work and apply it to your order. So discount codes, as we all know, are codes that can take your order down 25, 50, whatever, 30%, whatever percentage it is. It's a way to save money. But with Honey, what you would do is same way you would do with Shoptagger, you would download Honey as an extension. And when you go to check out, Honey will give you the option of, hey, do you want to apply a discount code? Because we got some. And it will apply the best discount code that it found online. So instead of going to retailmenot.com and having to find the different discount codes and applying it only for them not to work, Honey does all the work for you and applies the best discount code it can find to your order, and then you can save money. I just recently used it. I forgot what it was on, but it applied like a $10 something off discount code to it, so I ended up saving money. Like, it actually does work. I would definitely suggest using honey.com. It's an annoying ass commercial on YouTube, but it actually is pretty cool as a website to help you save money while you're shopping. So you guys, it really isn't that complicated. It may sound pretty intricate, but it is pretty easy to be stylish and to be plus size on a budget. It's just about being creative and thinking outside the box. But yeah, you guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Put on your notifications so you know when I upload a video. And I will catch you guys in the next upload. Bye!